Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group multiple shapes in
Microsoft Excel.
Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and we can see here many shape. Now I am select some shape. Now I am select the shape and draw the shape to this sheet. Then go back again the shape drop down menu and choose another shape. Now we can see here some shape. Now we want to group the multiple shape. At first select a shape, then press and hold the shift and select one by one. Then go to the shape format menu, choose the group option and select group. Now we can see we group multiple shape easily. You can resize this, otherwise move this shape at once. I hope you enjoyed my video.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.
Thanks for watching.